Hi and welcome to this little segment of Art from the Heart. My name is Wilna and I just want to show you, if you want to start off with art journaling, what do you need to get? So first of all, I would suggest that you buy an art journal book. A mixed media book is what I love the best, the best. And it has nice thick paper. Just make sure that it says mixed media on the front. This is the Strathmore books and I have 4 of them. I love them. Then you need Gesso and a few old gift cards so that you can prime your pages with the Gesso, so that it forms a little barrier between the media and the pages, so that it just protects everything, and I love doing that. Then you need a little bit of paint, and I love the Liquitex heavy body acrylic paints. Start off with some neutral colors, the white, the parchment paper, parchment color, and then maybe a black and white in the inks. I love that. Some warm colors and then some cooler colors. So with the warm colors I have deep violet, light pink, yellows, cadmium yellow, cadmium red, alizarin crimson. You know, there's different types of warm colors, and then some cool colors, the cerulean blue, the turquoise, and then sap green is one, viridian hue is another one, and then deep turquoise is absolutely my favorite one. Prussian blue is also one of my favorite blues. But if I only had if I could only pick 5 colors, I would pick a red, a yellow, a green, and a blue, because that way you literally can mix any color you need. So that's just something that I would go with. I will have the names of all the colors on the blog post with this video, so and links to where you can find it. So this is the paints, and then I would suggest that you buy a watercolor palette, and this one is just the cheapest one that I could find from Michael's. The reason why is then you have all the colors. So watercolor palette is a lovely one to have. Ideally, if you can spend a whole bunch, then you would get the Kuretake watercolor palette, and I'll have a link for that one as well. Then a variety of paint brushes. I have some flat brushes, round brushes, big ones, small ones. I think the most important ones there for me are the very small brushes. I love a watercolor brush size 1 and 2. That's what I use to add my details of my art journaling. And then paper plates, but that's something that you might have in your house, and some Mod Podge. I add all my illustrations with the Mod Podge, and light molding paste, which is rolling around my table right now. And some stencils with that, and a palette knife. So you can just buy a cake decorating knife, that can work. I love the Tim Holtz stencils, because my stencils, as you can see there, has been through war zones, and I use them up really, and they just hold up under all sorts of media, and cleaning them is fairly easy. I like an embossing tool just to speed up the heating and the drying process of the art journals. And then if you really just want to have fun, some metallic paints with some textured rollers. There's so many of those that you can get. But if I had to just put it down to the essentials, this is what I will go with. The black Liquitex ink is definitely one. And then the light molding paste. Now this is one of my favorite products when I teach art journaling. The students love working with it. Mod Podge, stencil, a stencil, and then a palette knife that you can spread the light molding paste through it. Like I said, the Tim Holtz stencils really hold under a lot of heavy duty work. Some heavy body acrylic paints, the Strathmore art journal, that's nice and thick paper. I love this journal. I love the texture and the thickness of the paper. And then some paint brushes and heavy gesso or normal gesso. It's not that big a deal which one you pick. I just have a big bottle of the normal gesso because I paint big canvases, and then paint brushes. No, not yet. Okay, almost there. And a watercolor palette. So these are my essentials. I will have a list of them, of it all on my blog. Just follow the link underneath this video. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the interweb soon. Bye bye.